Let's go run the New York City half marathon. Okay, let's not give myself a red eye. Oh my god. This cough. Is that crazy? A little bit of sparkle. This is a special day. This is wow, it's real. Don't cry, don't cry. Not yet. I can't cry this early. Everything's gonna be great. We got this. Ooh. Okay. We got this. We got this. Okay, I'm praying, spraying. I'm praying and spraying. This smells so good. I have to spray it.
Up next is 30 seconds of calf roller. Right side. Start the next set. Up next is 30 seconds of calf stretch. 10 seconds. Start the next.
Time check, it is 5:09 a.m. We get to go on the TFK bus because I fundraised with TFK for the half marathon. So the TFK bus is meeting right at the bottom of Central Park near 59th Street. So we're gonna meet there, get on the team bus, and head over to Prospect Park. Oh my God. Okay. Deep breaths, everything's gonna be great. I wanted to document how I'm feeling right before I leave. my first half marathon race ever. And it's one of the biggest in the country. Historical things about this race. This is the very first race that's going to go across the Brooklyn Bridge. No New York City race has ever gone across the Brooklyn Bridge. They're literally shutting down the Brooklyn Bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge, it's wild. Most iconic bridge is being shut down for this race. And we're gonna go through Times Square, which is only shut down for New Year's Eve and this race. It's really special. All of the training I did to get to this moment is here. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna hit a PR today. We are going to run the New York City Half Marathon in under 2 hours, 15 minutes. That is my goal. I will hit it and I'll walk away really proud. And regardless, I will be happy and have a really good time and take it all in. But I want to take you guys along with me. So let's go. I know that's like kind of an Insane. Insane.
Real bathrooms, we got water, we got coffee, we got Gatorade, we got bananas. It's for the ball drop, New Year's Eve, and one's for us. There's never been a race across the Brooklyn Bridge, so we're super excited that we get to run across that this year.
We just got through security and bag check. I didn't check a bag, but I don't think I really needed to. And now we're here. I have my portable charger, which I'm gonna have on me. I'm not gonna use it during the race, but just to have it on me, we're gonna put it in our pocket. Okay, it is 7:30. My corral starts at, or like I'm supposed to get to my corral at 9, so I have an hour and a half to eat, to poop, to relax, like all the things. So first we're gonna start with an immunity shot. Cheers to health and kicking ass today. So we're gonna start eating our overnight oats. This is the vanilla flavor. I think it's because I'm nervous, like I can't like focus on eating. I know I need to eat, but like I'm not hungry, but I know I am hungry. Does that make sense? There's a lot going on right now behind me. I like in the other room, but I know what I need. I need to be in here and relax. Oh, also, I got this monogrammed yesterday at Gifted NYC in West Village. And how fun! I think it's so cute. It can stand out. Okay, I'm gonna just sit and eat. All my snackies. I've already eaten some stuff. Snackies. I'm gonna throw this away after, but I need to stay moisturized. Really good. It's okay.
Now we're gonna hold it to your right. We're gonna do this. Good. You're gonna. Good. Let's go 3 more, please. You want to make sure you're breathing through this. Last.
It's beginning. We're doing this. We're doing this. It's happening. It's happening. We just stretched. We are on our way to the corrals.
Of course. Yeah. Purple coming up. All the brothers are here.
Mile 1 done. Mile 2. Let's go. Someone gave me water. That's so sweet. Mile 3. Let's go. Four miles done. Woo! Bell number 1. I'm on the Brooklyn Bridge. Ah! This is so cool. 5 miles done. Thanks for saying hi. 6 miles done. 7 miles, let's go. 8 miles done. Goal number 2. 9 miles done. Mile 10, we did 10 miles. What the heck? I'm excited! Raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was right behind me. Let's fucking go! Mile 11. 11 miles done! Woo!
I got you. All right, intake.
12 miles done. Oh my god. Gel number 3. 13 fucking miles.
Congratulations. Got the United Nations coming in with all those flags.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations! Hi, I just ran the New York City Half Marathon. I did it without stopping, and this is literally one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. Honestly, it pushed me to my limits. Oh, I feel like my legs are jello. I can't even feel my legs. But I'm really proud. I mean, it's something that I've always wanted to do, and I did it, and I got to take you guys with me. So thank you everybody for supporting, for fundraising, and cheering me on online and everywhere. This is such an accomplishment, such a milestone. I'm so proud of myself. And now I need to lay down.